everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a really fun video for me, and the video that I have been waiting to get out here for you guys because I did not know how subscription box worked, and I finally got February's crate. Alright, so I recently looked up the best horror boxes, and I said to myself, I'm like, you know, I really enjoy horror stuff. I really enjoy adding things, and here recently I got inspired to do a horror pen collection. So one of the best boxes that popped up is called Fright Crate, and I will have all the information down below if you're interested, if you're a horror freak like I am. A couple things I do want to touch bases on with this box. So I ordered it. He puts out it, I think it's a privately owned business, like it's one individual or maybe his wife, I have no idea, but the website is very plain. It's very simple. He has a $20 box, and then he has a $30 box. Okay, so the $20 box you get 3 to 4 items, and then the $30 box you get 5 to 6 items. Okay, so what I wanted to do is, how I wanted to do this is, I'm going to start my channel off this year starting in February. I am going to pay for the $20 boxes for a full year and see if it's really worth $20. So I have been watching. One thing that does aggravate me is people don't specify what box they're getting on YouTube. They just say, I have a Fright Crate, I have a Fright Crate. Is it the $20 box or is it the $30 box? So I'll definitely put that information in my title, just so if somebody is curious like I am, like what do you get in the $20 box? What do you get in the $30 box? The next thing I do notice with this company is they are very, like, how do I put it? Like I said, their website's very bare minimum. He's very bare minimum. Like, he doesn't put any information out there. All it says on the website is the $20 box, the $30 box, you get however many items, and then it says it ships out on the first week of the following month. So what he does is, if you are interested, is he makes you pay for the box at the first of every month or until the boxes sell out. So at the first of the month you have to pay $20 to $30, and the shipping is, I think, $8.99 or $9.99. so by the time I'm paying $20, it's almost $30 for my box. If you get the $30 box, it will almost be $40 for your box. The next thing that I do kind of find a little weird and strange, my opinion though, not your opinion, so you don't need to come at me, bro, is you order at the first of the month, and then he doesn't ship the boxes out until the first week of the following month. So when I ordered this in February, I didn't even get my box until, what was it, yesterday, legitimately, and today is March 19th, and I just got this box. So if you are somebody who has patience of steel, which I don't, that's why my box is already open, because the temptation was killing me to see what I got, because I had to wait almost 2 months. So I already placed my March box. I don't know, it depends on how March is gonna go. But I don't know if I want to order again, because it's like, he's not very, like, communicating on the website at all. It's like, are you going to get your box? Are you never going to get your box? It's like, you just don't know. So those are a couple things I did want to throw out there for you guys. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for this box with my own money. And with all other ado, let me get into this box. The $20 box. As you guys can see, it is the small box, And the bigger box I think is a little bit bigger than this, but as you can see, this is the $20 box. And I was watching like all of last year's boxes, and I do notice that there is a little quote on here, and this says, February's crate, there is no terror in the bang, only in the anticipation of it. Alfred Hitchcock. So that is definitely going to go in my journal. And then all right here, he does have his information, but I will also have all his information down in the description box. And let's get started. One thing he says why it takes a little while to get products from him is because they're all customized things. So let's go ahead and see. So there is tissue paper in here. Now the first thing is a shirt. I don't know if you get a shirt all the time, but I'm obsessed with this shirt, you guys. So I did get an extra large in men. You guys, look at this shirt. All the fucking Jasons. Even Jason without his mask. Like, old school Jason. Like, he even has his mother's head laying there. As soon as I saw this yesterday when I opened it, I'm like, this is so badass. So badass. So yeah, this is definitely worth $20 right here, you guys. Like, that probably would have been more if you would have found it at like Hot Topic, Spencer's, anything to that nature. Alright, so the next thing is this really cool thing. Now, one thing I did notice is a lot of people bitch about things like this. And I'm thinking to myself, if you're a true horror fan, stuff like this, you just don't run across, okay? So, this right here is really cool. This is a stand-up thing, like you can pop it out into place, and it's a little stand-up Hellraiser figurine. Like, you can't find these. Like, you just don't walk around in Target and find this. Walmart, you ain't gonna find it. Not even in Spencer's. And people were bitching about these, and I'm like, these are pretty dope. Like, eventually what I want to do is, once I get a little bit of a collection built up, I want to get a shelf and I want to build a little horror collection. And once we get there, you guys will definitely be coming with me. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty unique and cool. You can also just put this, like, if you have a horror movie stand, add something like this to it, just to make it kind of pop, and like just set it in with your horror movies. Like, I think that's pretty unique and cool and different. Like, you just don't see those all the time. Alright, the next item, which I kind of think is a little corny, and I don't know if I'll ever use this. This might be going to my husband, but this is the Killer Clowns theme, and all it is a beanie. It's just a beanie. And I'm like, man. But you know, that's one thing you just gotta realize. Oh god, it stinks. With boxes like this, is you'll have really good boxes and then you'll have bad boxes. So this does seem like a really nice beanie though, you guys. Like, it's the thick consistency. So this might be going to my husband, or who knows what will happen with it. But yeah. So you did get a beanie. So far I got 3 things. And then the last thing, which is my 4th item, is a little pen. And this is Grosby. I really don't know where this is coming from. I don't know. But this will definitely be going up on my pen collection. And it looks like, I'm not really sure where this is from, to be honest with you guys. But this is what the pen looks like. So yeah, that was my Fright Crate February 2020. I'm a little excited. Like I said, the 2 things that I'm really stoked about. Well, 3 things I'm really stoked about. The beanie I didn't really care too much for because I'm not a beanie wearing person. So I'll probably go to my husband. But this shirt right here, this is the best thing in this box. Like, you can't find a shirt like that. And then obviously this little cool decor piece to add to your horror collection, and then of course the pen, because I am starting to collect pens. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this Fright Crate unboxing. If you did, please give it a big huge thumbs up, and as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes. I'll see you soon in my next video. You're beautiful. Stay true to yourself. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. See you guys.